Hey guys, we're back. Part 3 of our Oklahoma off-road adventure. I'm actually riding with my son-in-law and my daughter up there, and my wife is in there too. She's got her helmet on so she can hear me on the Senna. She was on here with me, but it's a lot better for her riding in that than on this bike because it's in spots out here. It's pretty rough.
Oh, squirrel! He was booking it. Sorry, didn't mean to interrupt you, babe.
So there's a lot of trails out here, no doubt.
New road.
Does it not go nowhere?
It's a tight squeeze. Dang!
Where are you?
I about got beat up by a tree. Holy crap!
Oh, he's stuck now.
Oh,
He
please
is
no.
stuck. He's got a winch on the front.
He got out.
He can winch it out.
I kind of thought that might go around all that.
So if you wonder what this wire is here, I've got my Senna 50C plugged in charging while I'm riding. I've been recording a lot of videos, so I figured it was getting low. It's a whole lot less dusty up here
Yep.
in the front.
Are you?
Pretty warm out here,
Yeah, it is.
95 degrees.
Nice and toasty.
It don't feel too bad.
Somebody used the potty. They didn't take their toilet paper with them.
Well, hopefully I didn't run over nothing.
No, it was on the other side of the road.
Good.
It was on the left-hand side.
That's the way I like it. Left or right.
Left and right at the T.
Well, there was a right. Was that it?
No.
No. Oh, he said at the T. Never mind.
Maybe that's why we ain't seeing nobody. Everybody else is smart enough to get out early when it was cool and enjoy it and then go home.
Either that or they know different trails, and so they're not on this part.
Well, that's possible too.
This must be the T.
No.
No?
Nope.
Look like one.
Look at that big old snake up through there.
That's not a snake.
Oh,
What is that? Some kind of cable. Wire or something. Idiot alert.
I almost said that back there when I seen all the beer cans.
Well, it's not just that. I've seen pop cans too. See, there's styrofoam cup.
Well, yeah, just any of the trash.
Yeah, all trash. Just idiot alert. Idiot alert. Take a trash bag with you, people. Keep your trash with you and then get rid of it when you get home.
They're too stupid.
That's what we do.
Ain't gonna happen.
We take a trash bag with us. Have a picnic. We throw all of our trash in the trash bag, and we take it home with us and we dispose of it properly.
Oh, it feels cool up through here.
Yeah, it does. Feels nice.
Feels good.
I know I'm on the back road when you get here. I'm over here.
There's a playpen out there.
Where? Which side?
On
He
the
said there's a
left.
playpen out here.
Looks like a mess.
There's a playpen out here. He said on the left.
Oh, crap. Oh, that's a gas well.
That's a what?
Gas well.
I can't understand. Gas well. It's a gas well place, honey.
Yeah, well, I'm talking about the mud hole. I'm not talking about the gas well.
He's talking about the mud holes.
Oh, yeah.
No hunting or trespassing. There's a house.
There's a house right there.
Tell Jason that zigzag is downhill.
Up there, back there, and up the middle of the road too. Wow, that's quite the washout.
Yeah, it is. Seen that. That's why I went around it.
You wouldn't want to do this at nighttime. You'd fall off in some of them crevices.
Probably.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that mountain over there.
Pretty awesome.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Boy, look at that.
Look at what?
To your left.
Look to the left.
I was showing your dad while ago that road's been
Whoa.
Okay. Right or left?
oh no.
Right looks shows on there dead ends on mine, but it may not.
He said right shows it dead. Yeah, so does Jason's. Shows dead end. Whoops.
We know that don't mean that, but
Yeah, we do too. Sometimes it's wrong.
it's left.
Or they're clearing that out.
Yeah.
That looks more like a trail.
This is more like a dirt road. There's the swimming hole right there. Man, get in there and swim. Actually, it looks like clean water. Okay, guys, I'm going to end this video here. Thank you all for watching. Click
Look
the
at
thumbs
that.
up. Subscribe to my channel. Catch you on the next one. Right on.